Hi, here is Martina from Domatters China Marketing Agency. Do you want to enter the Chinese market? Domatters will show you how to sell in China through Little Red Book. If you want to know more about Little Red Book, please watch our previous videos. Many foreign companies are concerned about how to register a store in Little Red Book. Now, let Domatters explain the steps and details for business to sign up in Little Red Book. First of all, create an issue on Little Red Book. When using the company email to register on the Little Red Book platform, you need to fill in the registration information, that is, fill the settled information, including company, financial, story, and submit the corresponding qualifications. Details are flows. First, the company's basic information includes a person in charge, industry model, and a headquarter address. Second, company qualification, including business registration or company registration certificate. Third, the financial information, including bank name and address, currency used for registration, bills, SWIFT code, and IBAN. Finally, brand information, including information broadly similar to brand account registration information, additional documentation for companies selling products of different brands, authorization letter from the brand owner to sell unread, with the official brand seal. After completing these steps, the Little Red Book system will return the real results to you. Then, sign the relevant contract online first, and after the approval, the official will send back the paper contract. Sign the paper contract and then send it back. Finally, after completing the system training, you can officially join the Little Red Book and successfully open a store. Domatters can help you if you are having trouble getting into Little Red Book. Why choose Domatters? Because Domatters will be the best guide for you to enter Chinese market. Domatters can provide you with the following service. About Red Official account. Domatters can create a Little Red Book account for you on Little Red Book and run a professional account for you. About Red Story. Domatters can open an online store and promote your products to attract your target customers. About Red Marketing. According to your product characteristics and user needs, tailor-made marketing content for you. Expand corporate influence and accurately target customers. About Offsite Marketing. For a complete marketing strategy, increase your visibility on the Chinese internet. And the monthly report. Domatters will analyze your performance with monthly report to develop the best optimization strategy. If interested in seeing if we can match your development in China, please feel free to contact Domatters and speak with one of our consultants. That's all.